Hey guys, I realized I rambled a little bit too much on this video, but if you feel like it, scroll to the last few minutes, probably the last 3 or 4 minutes, and it's comedy gold, and it's real life. I think you guys will enjoy it. So enjoy the video. Watch the whole thing though, because it kind of builds up to something great. So, hey guys, happy Saturday. Your 150th favorite HVAC guy here. So I got whiskey hat on. I got my Overlook Hotel from The Shining sweatshirt on. I know it's backwards because I got the phone towards me. So, what did we do today? Started off the day, went and had lunch at the Olive Garden, which I like. It's okay. We only have one in the area, which kind of sucks, but it's actually very good food and they treat you very well. I don't know. Would you consider the Olive Garden fine dining? I don't know. I think it's pretty good. The service is really good. The food is really good. The decor is very good. So I don't know. I think it's pretty good. And the prices aren't too bad. You know, it's $20 to $25 a plate. But, you know, as rich HVAC guys, I think that we can afford that, right? Because we're rich HVAC contractors, all of us. So we went to the Olive Garden, had lunch. I ordered the, it's funny, they have a 6-ounce steak there. 6-ounce steak with fettuccine Alfredo. That steak was cute. It's about that big, but it was flavorful. I asked them to make it medium rare, and they made it rare. So I don't know. Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta go check on something real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back now, and worse than ever, like my wife would say. So yeah, we went to the old OG, the old Olive Garden, and had lunch, and it was okay. So we'll leave it at that. I don't eat at those places too often. We usually cook at home, and we do not go out to eat too much. So, but we had some gift cards, like I said, gift cards that I bought for my wife for Christmas and birthdays and whatever. So. After that, we went to the only bowling alley, well, the only bowling alley in a 50-mile radius around here, which is kind of ridiculous. And I think that it would be a great business opportunity if I had the means to do so, which I'm kind of thinking about it. There's ways I could probably do it. Open up a nice bowling alley, bar, lounge, restaurant, etc. around here in Redmond, Terrebonne area of Oregon. Would be pretty badass. Would be pretty effing badass. And man, I think you'd be a rich man if you did that. So what was I getting at with that? So we went bowling. I bowled a 212 my first game, and I bowled a 205 the second game with a house ball, house shoes, and my ball was pink. I'm calling it Old Pinky. Old Pinky did good. And Pinky wasn't even the right size for my hand. I couldn't even get my fingers in it. I get my thumb in it, and then I couldn't even get my tips of my fingers in, which some people would say that's the way you're supposed to bowl anyway, but I don't. I like to get my fingers up in the holes. Ex-girlfriends can attest to that. But anyway, I bowled really well. And that second game that I bowled a 205, I should have had a 250 or 260. I'm a lefty, so I kept getting a solid 7-pin, which for a right-hander, that would be a solid 10-pin. And I wasn't happy about it. So I'm thinking I'm going to start taking bowling a little more serious. I'm kind of an athletic guy. I'm pretty good at games, sports, not to toot my own horn, but I'm pretty good at games. I'm a good dart player. I'm a good pool player. Oh, And I played a guy, an old guy that I used to know at the bowling alley at the pool game, and I had an awesome game, my last game of pool. If you guys want to play me, go ahead. Juan Diaz, when I see you in November when I'm in Reno, let's play some pool, man. Let's have some fun. And then the proof is in the pudding. But anyway, that's what we did today. So we went to lunch at Olive Garden, went to the bowling alley, and had some drinks and had some fun. That's what you do on Saturdays, right? So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing it's around the house day. I'm gonna be putting some shit together, getting us ready for the springtime because the weather's gonna shift, and I got to get stuff ready. So I won't bore you too much more, even though I know you guys enjoy looking at this pretty face. You know, I mean, I kind of like looking at it. You know, I spend like 5, 6, 7 minutes every morning just staring in the mirror, you know, doing this stuff. That's a joke, by the way. I'm getting the workout channel going. I think I'm going to do my first video on it probably next weekend. I did some preview shorts last night of what I'm going to be doing with my dumbbells, with my push-ups, weird stuff. This isn't going to be your conventional workout channel. This is going to be something that is unique, and we're going to do comedy too, because it's all about having fun with life. Everything's about having fun with life. So, you know, let's have fun with everything that we do, whether it be HVAC, your family, working out, whatever it is. I think my family enjoys what I do. If they don't, then whatever. I like having fun with life, and I hope everybody else does too. Now, let's close out this video. I want to talk about something that you guys enjoy me talking about, obviously, because I got nothing but thumbs up and nothing but high marks. Was my video about talking about these soy boys. So you know what a soy boy is, right? If you don't, ask me. I'll give you a description. It's those little greasy-haired, skinny, acne-faced 20-something-year-olds living in suburban or urban areas that have no manly skills, that are little fucking pussies. You want real talk from me, you'll get real talk. So I'll put a note in my video that this is where the real talk starts. Don't be a pussy. I'm a strong man. I think a man should be strong. I'm not gonna put on a fucking leotard and pretend I'm a woman and try to compete in women's sports. That's a bunch of fucking garbage, and it's not gonna happen. And anybody that thinks differently can unsubscribe from my channel and go jump in a fucking lake, because we don't want that shit. I respect women. Women have their place. Women's place is the nurturing, the loving that a man like me can never do. There's things that women can do that a man can never, ever do. And I admit that. I can't do it. I cannot do what a woman can do. The loving, nurturing strength that a woman has to bear children, to take care of children, we cannot do that. We just can't. We can't do it. I don't want to do it. That's why there's a male and a female. There's not this 37 gender bullshit that these people want you to accept. There's a man and a woman. That's all there is, okay? So, and we all have our place. We all have our place. I can't do a million things that a woman can do. But guess what? I bet they can do most of the things I can do, other than the heavy lifting stuff. And there has to be that separation, you know? There has to be that separation. There really does. So I won't harp on it too much. This is not a political channel, but I'm making it that way because you guys seem to like these types of videos. So that's where we're at. But I'm going to close out on that. I appreciate everybody. I love everybody. Men, women, transgenders, bisexuals, transsexuals, trisexuals, you know, the ones that'll try anything. I'm all about it. You guys are, you do whatever you want, but don't get any. You're not getting any more special treatment than I'm going to get, because I don't get any. As a straight white male, I'm becoming a minority in my own country that was founded by straight white males. And it's kind of ridiculous. I love everybody. Let's all get along. I don't care what you do in the privacy of your own home, okay? I'm not going to tell you about what I do in the privacy of my own home because it's kind of kinky. I'm not going to lie. I can get kinky. But I don't let anybody else know it but my wife, okay? So, have a good night, guys. I love you, and I'll see you on the next video.